This is a walkthrough of room 1911 at Peppermill in Reno. And this is a suite in the Tuscany Tower. And I really like this suite. It's courtesy of Diana Ivoni, so first and foremost, thank you so much, Diana. One of the most genuine YouTube channels and people I know, so thank you so much for sorting both Jules and I out with a suite. It's much appreciated. So this is the bathroom as you walk in. Got a little telly there. Your toilet's in there. And a walk-in shower here. Now this hotel is sort of, it's themed, sort of an Italian theme. So as I said, this is the Tuscany Tower. I just love the old school. It's like, this is definitely old school Vegas vibe in here. I love it. With the drapes there walking through to the seating area and the marble effect and all of that. Love it. So, bed looks comfy. It's just hanging space. Yep. You've got a fridge down there. Not sure where the safe is. Oh, there you go. In there. Sort of like being in a stately home. Love it. Leather settee there. Really nice. Is this marble? I don't know. No, fake. And the view is excellent. And the window's really clean. So that's the other tower. And then down here you'll see the pool areas. Sorry for the glare. Looks a nice pool. Yeah, nice view of the mountains in the background. Actually, one thing about Reno driving in that I was surprised about is that it's quite green, everything. And you can see there, they almost look like rolling hills in the background with green on them. They're not as brown as everything is in Vegas, which I kind of assumed because it was Nevada it would be, but clearly not. Atlantis is over there. And there's another casino over there with 3 letters G something something. I can't remember what it's called now. But that one apparently is quite Vegas-esque. But they're pretty spread out here by the looks of it, the hotels. I think there are 3 down the main sort of strip that are connected. So I'm not sure what I'm going to visit. I'm here for 2 nights, so we can do a bit of exploring. But I'm really pleased to be here. I've always wanted to see Reno. And this room, I love it actually, I really do. So thanks once again to Diana. I'm sure you will watch a bit, if not, subscribe to Diana Ivoni's slot videos. And I will see you in the regular vlog. Take care.